Amri Helping Hand Society pen Hanso processing aputhak ni-krepho amai kepajut pon. Nijang Karbi Anglong Amri MSc constituency ke parlo amkachi CFC hall along Amri Helping Hand Society amai phi binoli phangchupi pen kepatir pipon si kedamtang arkoi niphai sirke pen pini an Hanso katiki pen ale kachepalong ji aputhak lapen ke Hanso pen ke cho asot hei hui kasemar pen angtan an ke jor pen ale kachepalong ji aphan aseke kipi pini kepajut pon lapen puthot jangmilen model project amung tame keron pon lapen ke kipir kethak aseke tame kipi pon labang so se ke kipi Amri Helping Hand Society pen patir pipon si Nabard Assam Regional Asai Hem pen kacherap lok pen pini sai kachutiki atum aphan kangthur asai among than pon si jasemet Nabard pen tame kacherap don phedung do pusi bendang air Nabard DDM than pachini Nabard pen isi a project sanction do lake jangmilan katiki ji aphan pusi DDM pen pachini pon Joseph Thankachan Jirsong Asong Director Difu pen jasemet jangmilan katiki pen ale kelong ji aphan penangan alam thanpon jangmilan katiki pen kosonsi tangka kewangji lapen jangmilan ko an eok eprana phan kemi i mate cancer keso kelong ato aphan kechonang ji akenang sot akaprek akeso tame me i pusi than pasini pot ampar dalang soputhak anso se kefir kethak abedi pen amang getur kepa me lapen chenglok mesin lapen amet hanga therang ran si kethak aputhak lapen mensing be handloom and textile officer West Benglong along pen pastame than pachini labang so sai katiki pen ale kelong ji aphan jasemet Hanso processing aseke kipi ni-krepho seke kipi atum sotkri be BSc agriculture lapen mirjeng ronghang MSc agriculture atum pen petang si certificate tame ronpon lapen chief guest mensing be ganglion textile officer Jirsong Asong director Joseph Thankachan lapen bendang air Nabard DDM atum chetong dun si RDP pon pen mesen pen ni-krepho aseke pajut pon News Desk Report Karbi Daily News.
We are trying to promote millet in Karbi Anglong. It is because of two reasons: to improve the health of all, especially women and children. Secondly, to earn additional income to improve their livelihood. And in this regard, the Nabard is supporting us and the people of Karbi Anglong to improve, to revive this crop for the benefit of the people. Last 1 year, we have initiated for 100 farmers. This year also we try to promote millet for the people. We are trying to revive the forgotten crop to benefit or to improve the health of the people. This is an effort. This is our vision that people enjoy good health and earn additional income.
Da pini ke no puthak mane pinna bangla skill updation aputhak ta mane rok itum da hawar molom kisuman peke thak bomlo same kisuman madhara peke thak techniques jolang la so skill koson se akop anhi baung thuima sorlo tumba bas peke thak prote sorlo der galle so pinsun no pe thak si so skill updation fan koson si kam kem naing ma ha puthak ji pini dak achingwa.
My name is Bendang Ayer. I am the District Development Manager of Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dima Haso districts. My organization is NABARD, that is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. And today we have inaugurated the model millet project for West Karbi Anglong district covering 50 beneficiaries. The inauguration of this model millet project is in continuation with the declaration of the year 2023 as the International Year of Millet by the United Nations. So under this project, we are helping the farmers not only to go for production of foxtail millets, but also we are looking at extending the necessary linkages, the value chain from production to processing to marketing, so that the income of the farmers increases. The farmers' income increases, they have access to better nutritious food so that their health also improves and they have also access to better income. For implementing this project, we are partnering with Amri Helping Hand Society, Amkachi. Thank you.